Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we have a lecture on popliteal fossa. So we have studied about cubital fossa and forearm. In the knee we have a fossa, a depression which is called popliteal fossa. So popliteal fossa की definition from exam point of view is very important. ठीक है, it is the shallow diamond shaped depression. ठीक है, and it is more prominent when the knee is semi-flexed. ठीक है, so we will discuss its boundaries, its contents, which is very important question. So again, it is the diamond shaped depression behind the knee joint. So it has superior boundaries and inferior boundaries. ठीक है, तो जो आपकी superior boundaries हैं वो कौन बनाएंगे? Muscles of thigh. Basically जो muscles of thigh हैं वो इसकी superior boundaries बनाएंगे और जो inferior boundaries हैं वो muscles of leg बनाएंगे. So apart from this, supralateral जो boundary है वो कौन बनाएगा? Biceps femoris. ठीक है, so this muscle is our biceps femoris. It form the supralateral boundary of popliteal fossa. Then we have supromedial boundary. So supromedial boundary is formed by semitendinosus and semimembranosus, and some were supplemented by gracilis, sartorius and adductor magnus. So this is our muscle which is semimembranosus and this is semitendinosus. They form the supromedial boundary of popliteal fossa. Then we have inferior boundary and inframedial boundary. So these boundaries, inferior boundary is mainly formed by gastrocnemius muscle. Gastrocnemius muscle is the muscle of leg. So inferior lateral boundary of popliteal fossa is formed by lateral head of gastrocnemius supplemented by plantaris muscle. This is gastrocnemius muscle, ठीक है, and this is plantaris muscle. And जो आपका inferior medial boundary है वो आपका मीडियल हेड ऑफ गैस्ट्रोक्नीमियस बनाएगा. ठीक है, जो इंफीरियर लैटरल बाउंड्री थी वो लैटरल हेड ने बनाई थी. मेनली गैस्ट्रोक्नीमियस मसल ही रिस्पॉन्सिबल है. देन वी हैव टू डिस्कस द रूफ एंड द फ्लोर. सो रूफ ऑफ द डीप फेशिया इज फॉर्म बाय पोप्लीटियल फेशिया. ठीक है, पोप्लीटियल फेशिया और डीप फेशिया. ठीक है, एंड द फ्लोर ऑफ द पोप्लीटियल फोसा इज फॉर्म बाय पोप्लीटियल सरफेस ऑफ फीमर. ठीक है, जो आपका नी जॉइंट का कैप्सूल होगा and popliteal ligament और आपका popliteus muscle. These will form the floor of popliteal fossa. Then we have to study about the contents of popliteal fossa. So contents में आपकी mainly popliteal artery आ जाती है. ठीक है, उसी नाम से popliteal fossa के नाम से popliteal vein आ जाती है, उसकी tributaries आ जाएंगी, tibial nerve and its branches आ जाएंगी, उसके अलावा common peroneal nerve and its branches आ जाएंगी. Then we have the posterior cutaneous nerve of thigh, the genicular branch of obturator nerve, popliteal lymph nodes भी इसके contents में, and we have fat. So this is very important question from exam point of view. Okay, good luck. Allah Hafiz.